So how much is my claim worth? The short answer is, early on, no one knows. That's one of the most frequently asked questions. Oftentimes it's asked at the beginning of the intake, but invariably it's asked. And that's a fair question. People want to know what their claim is worth, what is their injury worth. At the beginning of the process, it's impossible to know. And it's impossible to know for a number of reasons. It's usually early on in the process, and we have precious little information. I can tell you that in the insurance agency's eyes, your case is going to be valued as low as possible. So it's important that we get all of the information. We get all of your medical records, we get photos of the accident scene, we get police reports, we get some of your prior medical records if necessary, and we get some of your wage loss documentation. All of those things are factors that are taken into consideration when assessing the value of a claim. The goal of the insurance company is to pay out as little as possible. There are a number of factors that go into play, some of which the insurance companies will tell you up front, some of which they will use and consider, but never tell you about. Having an attorney work with you during this process will help you understand how the insurance company is looking at you as an individual. They know more information about you than you think, and they're using that information to value your claim. So it's important to have someone on your side gathering that information so that you can make a strong argument as to why their evaluation of that claim is not sufficient. But we won't have that information for a period of time. Generally, people come in early after the accident. The treatment process has only just begun. Sometimes injuries don't present themselves until weeks or months after the accident. So what does that mean? That means that question can't be answered until well after the intake. And I have to stress, if you come in and you say, how much is my case worth? And a lawyer tells you your case is worth X number of dollars, and they just met you, they're doing you a disservice.